I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn.
Hello everyone, welcome to my motivational clean with me cleaning video. I hope that this video gets you in the mood to have a nice deep clean with me today. I'm starting upstairs to get everywhere all nice and clean, and I'm going to start by tackling the laundry. I'd brought this wash up the previous night. It had come out of the tumble dryer, so it just needed folding and putting away. And then once that was done, I could clean all the surfaces in the bedroom. I'm still using my Pledge multi-surface cleaner upstairs in the house. As you are all aware, I've told you countless times, my house is very dusty. So this helps to minimise the amount of dust upstairs. It really does help. I've noticed a considerable difference in using the Pledge upstairs, but then I do also have my dehumidifier going upstairs. I have one of these upstairs and downstairs in my home, which I'm going to do a video on. I think if anybody is interested in why I use a dehumidifier in my home and what they are great for, if you have damp or you want to get your laundry dry quicker, then I will definitely make that video. Leave me a comment down below if you are interested and I will get to work making that.
I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it.
And that's everywhere polished, all nice and dust free. I did come back up a little bit later on and use the green frog cloth that I got in my Cherryz haul. You would have seen that in my previous cleaning video. I used that wet to clean the screens on my computers and TVs, and it works perfectly. But again, I never like to include that in any of my cleaning videos because everybody's screens on their TV are different, and I've made the mistake of spraying furniture polish on my bedroom TV and it basically ruined the screen. It took a lot to get those streaks and marks off, so you'll never see me cleaning any of the screens in my home. We are now moving on to the office, which was extremely messy for my office. My desk was just a mess. The floor was a mess. I'd filmed a Christmas gift guide and also I'd filmed another video, which we'll see in a couple of days. It's a little bonus video. But my office had got incredibly messy. As you can see, there was stuff all over the floor. I've got Christmas presents in there because I've got no storage in this house unless it goes up into the loft. But it's one thing that we really lack in these houses is more storage. So I had to first of all take everything off the desk to be able to clean it and put it onto the floor, and then lift it all up onto the desk so that I could clean the floor. Oh, I tell you what, this office comes in very handy, but it was extremely messy.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights.
I actually left that part in the video because you can actually see how overwhelmed I was by just how untidy the room was in general. But it doesn't take me long to get it all nice and clean and organised.
Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier
And that's as clean as my office is going to get. It's organised chaos in here at the moment, but a little blast of air freshener, which is the designer fragrances, and a quick little organise and clean, and the office looks presentable. And I'm going to give the lantern a little vacuum over, and then we will start cleaning the bathroom.
Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you gave me falling twice.
To clean my bathroom, I'm using the Barkeeper's Friend Power Spray, which is absolutely amazing. I did feature this in my previous cleaning videos. A majority of the cleaning products I am using in today's video were kindly sent to me by Cherryz. As you are aware, I have been working alongside Cherryz and collaborating with them on cleaning products and bringing awareness to their amazing app on your phone. You can do your shopping. It's a little bit like Poundland. You just pop your stuff in your basket, have a little shop around. The website is really easy to navigate around. Pop your stuff in your basket, check out using PayPal or your bank card, and you receive the stuff within a couple of days. It's absolutely brilliant, and I do highly recommend Cherryz.
Yeah, you're an angel and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart of the motor. It's so much better.
And that's the upstairs nice and clean. We are now moving downstairs. I'm going to start by sorting the laundry out in the utility first and get a wash on the go, because then whilst I'm cleaning, that wash is in the washing machine getting freshened up, and I can just pop it in the tumble dryer once it's done. Then I can clear the counters.
If I could live all my life tonight, we're on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Don't need to tell you, you see it in my eyes. I wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart of the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're living on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. 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 If I could live all my life tonight, we're living on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night under mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for my...
Seem to have a lot of flowers all everywhere, but those flowers that I've just put onto the hob are the flowers out of the dining room, because I've got the Christmas decorations in there now. And then this little silver vase of hydrangeas is out of the hall, so I'm just finding places to put things, because obviously the decorations are only up temporarily, so I don't want to put them out in the shed or anything like that, so they're just going to stay where they are for now, and I'll just keep dotting them round each room.
Myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
This part of my video has very kindly been sponsored by Cherryz. Cherryz are an online store, an app on your phone where you can purchase a plethora of things. They have cleaning products, they're a little bit like Poundland. They have cleaning products, Christmas decorations, food, beauty, you name it, Cherryz has it. Their app is really easy to navigate around. You just find something you like, pop it into your shopping basket, and then you can carry on looking. You can search for specific things. If you're looking for something specific, it has a search bar on the top, so you can just put in exactly what it is you're looking for. When you find it, pop that in your basket. Also, the app is really user-friendly. It's really easy to navigate around and find things. It's one of the easiest apps that I've ever used. Checkout was easy. You can use your bank card or PayPal, whichever you prefer. And they have very kindly given me a 20% discount that I can share with you. And I'm going to leave it here for you. I think it's Toni20. I will leave it in the description box also, and I'm going to pop it along here. You just need to download the app on your phone and you will get 20% off your order. Highly recommend Cherryz. They're very efficient. I placed my order and I received it within 2 days. It was here. So they're very quick and efficient. You don't have to queue in any queues or anything like that. It's just really easy to use. So I highly recommend Cherryz, and I would like to thank Cherryz for sponsoring today's video.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. 'Cause
dining room really wasn't untidy. I just needed a little wipe over the table to move a few crumbs and a little vacuum of the rug and the floor. And as you can see, my Hoover has been working very hard because it's absolutely full of filth. So I'm just going to pop that over to the bin and empty it so it's nice and fresh for when I want to use it tomorrow. It's a great tip. It stops your vacuum cleaner from getting smelly or anything like that, because as you know, I have 3 dogs. So I like to empty the basket every time. Is it a basket? No, it's a bin. I'm going to empty the bin every time. Now I'm going to enjoy my Mackey's Happy Meal that Leah just brought in for me because I was starving, and enjoy that and put my feet up because everywhere is nice and clean and tidy. And I do hope that this video has motivated you and got you in the mood to clean with me, be it on your iPad or your telly or your phone. I just hope that it motivated you and got you in the mood to have a nice deep clean or a little once over, whichever you felt like doing today. But thank you so much everyone for watching and for supporting my channel. It honestly means the world to me. So thank you so much. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you could give it a thumbs up. And if you found it informative or helpful or motivational, then I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and join our little cleaning family. We're really lovely, we're friendly and we're helpful. We share tips and everything else. So yeah, I would love it if you would subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a fabulous day, everyone. If you made it this far into the video, please leave me a comment down below saying White Christmas, because you're getting first dibs of my new Christmas tree. I did take the pink decorations off the Christmas tree and had a little change to a white winter wonderland Christmas. I can't help myself, can I? I went to a local garden centre and found these white feather peacocks. Was going to keep them until next year, but decided, you know what? Why not just strip the Christmas tree, because it was still November at the time, and enjoy a white Christmas tree now. And I'll probably change it again throughout December to another colour, but I just thought I would share my lovely new Christmas tree with you. So if you made it to here, please leave me a comment saying White Christmas, or let me know what you think of my new Christmas decor. Thank you so much, everyone.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in